One of Penn Medicine's critical missions is education, in particular primary care education, in particular family practice education. It's a terrific spirit, especially at Chester County. It's a wonderful hospital. When I think about Chester County Hospital's family medicine program, I am
excited,
optimistic,
hopeful.
I went into medicine because I wanted to make a difference. I wanted to be able to look back on the day of my retirement and say to myself that I did something meaningful. And I felt that in family medicine, I could make the biggest impact in the hospital within my community.
When I bring medical students into the room and we're talking, they'll turn to the student like, that person was here, and they tell stories about how, as a family physician, we're making differences outside the exam room all the time.
I think that's one of the main reasons that I came into family medicine, creating those relationships with my patients, being part of their health story. I think I'm really looking forward to that.
We're very proud we may be the only health system that has 4 family medicine residency programs. America needs more primary care doctors. Penn needs more primary care doctors. It's an important part of our mission.
The goal is to try to move the training program so the residents will start training and connecting to some of the local practices in Westchester, which is very important because our residents should be taking care of patients in the hospital that they see in their office.
Whenever anyone asks me, hey, Dr. Sheffield, if you had to boil family medicine down to one word, what would it be? And that's relationships. Medicine in general is absolutely a team sport. We need great ophthalmologists and great anesthesiologists and great pediatricians and great family doctors.
One of the cool things that we get to do in family medicine is we get to be part of prenatal care. And then we get to follow a woman from the time that she gets pregnant. We get to be part of her delivery. And then we actually get to take care of the baby. And I think that is one of the coolest experiences I've ever had.
I really think that Chester County Hospital is a special place. To be able to put family medicine residents into what is arguably the best community hospital in Pennsylvania, one of the best in the entire country, my goodness, such fertile ground to create the best family medicine residency program you could ever imagine.